Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the aggressive zoom in tutorial in CapCut. So first add your clips to CapCut and then split it into two like this. Then after that, click on the first clip and add a keyframe at the beginning, near the end, and also the end of the clips. Okay, so go to the first keyframe and then zoom in a bit and drag the clip to the left like that, and then in between the first and second keyframes, go to grabs and choose the ease out one. Click on a check icon and then add the last keyframe here. Zoom in the clip again and then drag it down like this, and in between the last two keyframes, go to grabs and now select the ease in one. Click on a check icon and then next click on a second clip and go to enhance. Click on body, reshape, and choose resize. Set it into 50 like this and go like that. Okay, click on a check icon and now here is the result for the aggressive zoom in. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.